Did you know the largest bird in the world can't fly, but it can run faster than a racehorse? Meet the ostrich. The ostrich is the largest bird alive today, reaching a height of 2.5 to 3 meters and weighing more than 150 kilograms. Ostriches have strong legs and are capable of running at high speeds, making them the fastest runners among birds. Despite having wings, ostriches cannot fly because of their large size and weight. Ostriches have large eyes, even bigger than their brains, which help them see danger from long distances. Ostrich eggs are also the largest of all bird eggs, about the size of a rugby ball. Ostriches are native to Africa and can be found in dry grasslands, savannas, and semi-desert areas. Ostriches are herbivores, but they also eat small stones to help digest food. Ostriches have 2 toes on each foot, unlike most other birds which have 3 or 4. Ostriches can live up to 40 years in captivity. Ostriches have loose, soft, and fluffy feathers, which gives them a fluffy appearance. A female ostrich can lay up to 11 eggs, and the dominant male and female ostrich will take turns guarding the nest and incubating the eggs. From their size and speed to their giant eggs and amazing eyesight, ostriches are living proof that flightless birds can still soar, just in their own way.